In this video, I'm going to show you the process of closing your Lloyds bank account. But first, please subscribe to the channel, it will really help me out. So, let's begin. To initiate, you have to start by visiting the Lloyds Bank website. So, simply navigate to lloydsbank.com. Once you are on the website, proceed to scroll down to the bottom of the page. When you reach the bottom of the page, you should come across a section labeled Help and Security. In this section, look for the second option, which is called Contact Us. At this point, you will have to talk with customer service to close your Lloyds account. They will suggest using their in-app messaging service to contact them, but you also have the option to call them if that's more convenient for you. You can easily find their contact number by doing a quick search on Google. When you decide to call, you'll be connected with a customer service representative. Simply inform them of your intent to close your account, and they will guide you through the necessary steps to facilitate the closure. Remember that you can do this also through the mobile app. And there we have it. If you find this tutorial helpful, please consider leaving a like and subscribe to the channel.